Hey guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make our version of chicken saag. To get started, you will need to melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Add in 5 cubed chicken breast or thighs, whichever you prefer. Season with 1 tablespoon of salt. Once your chicken is fully cooked, remove from your pan and set aside. In the same pot, add in 1 large diced onion. Add in 5 minced cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Cook your onions until translucent. Add in 4 cups of crushed tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, and lastly 2 heaping tablespoons of garam masala. Allow your sauce to simmer on low heat for 10 minutes. Add your chicken back to your pot. In a separate pot, bring water to a boil and add in a bag of spinach. Once your spinach is fully cooked, you want to remove it and add it to your blender, and it's alright if there is some of the liquid in the blender. You'll know when to stop blending when it comes together in a smoothie-like form. The next step is to add all of your spinach into your sauce. Once it all has been fully incorporated, add in 5 tablespoons of heavy cream. Allow to simmer for 5 minutes. You can eat this with white rice or naan bread if you prefer. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys soon.